My beloved brothers and sisters, there are moments in life when your heart feels shattered into pieces, moments when the pain inside you is so heavy that even breathing feels difficult. You cry when no one sees you, and you smile in public while you're breaking inside. But I want to remind you, even in that pain, Allah is with you. Yes, Allah knows what broke you. He knows who hurt you. He knows what you lost, and how many tears you've cried when no one else was watching. He knows the sleepless nights, the heavy sighs, and that silent whisper, Ya Allah. Why me? Allah hears the voice of the broken-hearted. When your heart breaks, remember you're not alone. The Prophet said, indeed, Allah is with the broken-hearted. You see, when the world walks away, Allah draws nearer. When everyone else stops caring, Allah still listens. When you can't speak a single word, your tears become your dua. Every tear that falls is a word to Allah. So the next time you're crying, don't think your tears are wasted. They're being counted. They're being recorded, and one day you will see how every drop of pain was a seed that grew into something beautiful. Sometimes Allah breaks your heart to fix it. Sometimes, my brothers and sisters, Allah allows your heart to break, not to destroy you, but to bring you back to Him, you see. A heart that is attached to people will always suffer, but a heart attached to Allah will always find peace. Maybe you loved someone more than you loved Allah. Maybe you trusted a person more than you trusted the Creator. So Allah had to remove that person, not as a punishment, but as a protection. Allah says in the Quran, perhaps you dislike something, but it is good for you. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:2. You didn't lose something. Allah saved you from something. Sometimes the person you wanted was not the person you needed. Sometimes the door that closed was never meant to open, because Allah was preparing a better one. Your pain has a purpose, you might ask. Why is Allah testing me like this? Because your pain is a lesson. Your heartbreak is a message. And your tears are a sign that Allah still loves you. Allah tests those whom He loves. So if your heart is broken, it's not a sign that Allah forgot you. It's a sign that He is calling you closer. Remember the story of Prophet Yusuf, as he was betrayed by his brothers, thrown into a well, sold as a slave, and imprisoned unjustly. But through that pain, Allah made him a king. Your heartbreak is not the end. It's the beginning of something beautiful. When you don't understand, just trust Allah, my brothers and sisters. You don't have to understand everything. You just need to trust the one who does. When your plans break, remember Allah's plan is still perfect. When people change, Allah remains the same. When the world turns its back on you, Allah still faces you with mercy. Say to yourself, my Lord knows what I don't. And one day you'll look back and say, now I understand why it had to happen that way. Every delay, every heartbreak, every no from Allah was protecting you. It was shaping you. It was making you stronger. Healing starts with turning to Allah. If you want to heal your heart, then go to the one who created it. No one can fix a heart except its maker. Start talking to Allah, not just in prayer. Talk to Him when you wake up, when you walk, when you feel alone. Tell Him everything, your fears, your pain, your confusion. The Prophet said, know that victory comes with patience, relief with hardship, and ease with difficulty. So hold on, don't give up. Your pain is temporary, but Allah's mercy is eternal. Forgive even when it hurts. One of the hardest parts of heartbreak is forgiveness. But know this, forgiving doesn't mean what they did was okay. It means you're freeing yourself from the poison of hate. Say, Ya, I forgive, not because they deserve it, but because I want peace in my heart. You're not weak when you forgive. You're strong, because forgiveness is the path to healing. And Allah loves those who forgive. Allah will replace what you lost. Maybe you lost someone, maybe your dream collapsed, maybe your world fell apart. But remember, Allah never takes something without giving something better in return. You may not see it now, but He is replacing your loss with something more meaningful. He is writing a story that you can't see yet. So stay patient, stay firm. Your tears today are watering the garden of tomorrow. Allah will give you peace again. One day, you will wake up and your heart won't ache anymore. The pain will fade, the tears will dry, And you'll look back with a smile saying, Allah healed me because He always does. He is a Shafi, the healer. He is Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. He is Al-Latif, the most gentle. Your heart may be broken, but Allah's mercy is infinite. And when Allah heals you, He doesn't just restore you. He makes you better than before. A message to every broken heart. If you are listening to this and your heart is breaking, know this: Allah loves you. You are not forgotten, and this pain, it's not forever. Your broken heart is a doorway to Allah. Let it bring you to Sunnah. Let it bring you closer to the Quran. Let it teach you that nothing in this world is worth loving more than Allah, and one day you will thank Allah for every heartbreak, every tear, every sleepless night, because they brought you back to Him. Final message, my beloved brothers and sisters. Don't let heartbreak make you bitter. Let it make you better. Don't let pain turn you away from Allah. Let it push you closer to Him. Say to yourself, I may have lost someone, but I found Allah, and that's enough. Because when you have Allah, you have everything, and when you lose Allah, even if you have everything, you have nothing. So tonight, before you sleep, raise your hands and say, Why up? Heal my heart, replace my pain with peace. Why up? I trust you even when I don't understand. And watch how Allah will bring light to your darkness, peace to your storm, and joy to your broken heart. Headphone, may Allah heal every broken heart listening to this. May He replace your pain with peace, and your tears with joy. Amen. Palms up together.